In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create level Meshy AI. We'll start with a clear plan, generate modular 3D assets in Meshy, and then assemble everything inside a game engine like Unity, Unreal Engine, or Blender. Meshy shines for RPG maps, dungeon levels, sci-fi corridors, stylized worlds, arena maps, background environments, and low-poly scenes, so keep those strengths in mind as you design. Begin by deciding your theme. Lock in the game genre, environment type, art style, mood, and a rough gameplay layout. Think in terms of a fantasy dungeon, a post-apocalyptic city, a cyberpunk arena, a medieval village, or a stylized forest. Whatever you choose, aim for consistency. Define a color palette, a material style, and a shape language early, and stick to them throughout. That cohesion is what makes a level feel professional. Open the Meshy workspace. You'll have access to text to 3D for fast concepting from prompts, image to 3D when you have visual references, texture for materials, remesh for optimization, and animate when you need motion. For level building, you'll mostly bounce between asset generation, texturing, and remeshing. Generate modular assets rather than one giant scene. Create reusable building blocks such as walls, floors, trees, rocks, crates, doors, stairs, pillars, bridges, and buildings. Keep scale consistent and pivot sensible so pieces snap together cleanly later. Reusability is the key to building large spaces quickly. Use style references to keep everything matching. Take a screenshot of an approved asset, upload it into image to 3D, and use it as a style reference for new pieces. This helps Meshy align colors, materials, geometry style, and the overall vibe, so every asset feels like it belongs to the same world. Build terrain as modular chunks. Meshy is strongest at environment props, small terrain pieces, and kit parts, not one massive open world map. Generate cliffs, terrain tiles, ground pieces, paths, and platforms. Then assemble them in Blender, Unity, or Unreal, snapping to a grid so tile sizes and slopes remain predictable across your level. Optimize the models before you lay out the final scene. Open the Remesh tool to reduce polygon counts and produce cleaner topology. This improves frame rate, makes assets easier to edit, and keeps your project lightweight. Preserve silhouettes so you keep the look while trimming excess detail. Finally, add textures. Use Meshy's AI texturing for stone, metal, moss, dirt, wood, and sci-fi panels. Many creators texture assets separately and iterate until everything visually matches. Check your materials under the same lighting you'll use in-engine to confirm the look is consistent end to end.